Have you checked if your iPhone, Apple TV, or Apple Watch is covered under warranty or comes under the coverage plan? If not, we'll tell you how to do this with these simple steps. So do watch the video. Buying an Apple product means that you have to shell out extra bucks from your pocket, and getting it repaired can get expensive too. Therefore, it's always best to know if your device falls under warranty. If you are buying an iPhone, MacBook, or any other Apple product, it will come with a 1-year warranty. However, you can also buy the Apple Care plan, which is an extended warranty service that covers your device. Here's how to check if your device is covered under the Apple Care plan or limited warranty. Go to checkcoverage.apple.com, enter the serial number of the device. Enter the CAPTCHA code in the required field and click Submit. You will be provided with the details of the device along with the year of release and status of warranty. You can also check the warranty status through Apple Support. Just go to mysupport.apple.com, sign in with the Apple ID, then choose the device for which you want to know the details. If you want to check the warranty status of the device by using the Support app, here's how you can do it. Open Apple Support app on your phone. It will show you all the devices linked to the Apple ID. Select the device for which you want to check the coverage. Select the device details right below the name of the Apple product. For those planning to buy the newly launched iPhone or any other Apple product, the warranty applies to Apple branded hardware products and accessories that are contained in the original packaging against defects in materials and workmanship for 1 year. Notably, the warranty does not apply to consumable parts like batteries or protective coatings that are designed to diminish over time, cosmetic damage including scratches and dents, damage caused by use with a third-party component, damage caused by external causes like accident, abuse, misuse, or damage caused by operating the Apple product outside Apple's published guidelines. It also doesn't apply to damage caused by service performed by anyone who is not a representative of Apple or an Apple authorized service provider. Similarly, damage to a product that has been modified to alter functionality without written permission of Apple, damage caused by normal wear and tear or due to the normal aging of the product is also not covered under warranty. So don't forget to check the coverage status of your Apple device. Do hit the like button if this video is helpful to you. And stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.